Choosing the most critical materials for the biggest projects in the world requires trust, and trust is no small thing. It's everything. Whether it's reaching the tallest heights, shaping the future, helping feed families, or creating spaces where life thrives. No matter what it is, no matter where. When turning a vision into reality, every decision, every material, every connection counts. That's why the leading architects, planners, engineers, contractors, and installers around the globe choose Weld-On, the world's most trusted bond.